I think I need to replace the wheel bearing because there is this humming noise. I try to show you. Okay, so I don't know how well it comes through the video, but I talking about that humming noise. When I turn left, it's a little bit quieter, and when I turn right, it's a little bit louder. So since it gets louder when I turn right, that means the left wheeling beer is mostly like the bad one, and the noise mainly seems to be coming from this side. So I replaced that one first. Normally this shouldn't be a huge job. Basically I take off the wheel, loosen some nuts, the nut will come off, I remove the bearing, press in the new one, and that would be it. But whenever I say it's going to quick and easy job, it's usually turn at least half a day of struggle. So let's find out. This is gonna be an easy or a not so easy job. So now, alright, so now I need to remove the brakes, the tie rod band, the ball joint, the shock absorber, and the drive shaft. And after, I can take the knuckle off. So let's go. Okay, so to the brake caliper, I use 45 torques. So the ball joint, I'm gonna use 17. Now the tie rod end, it's 19. First I try with just hand. Okay, it's come. If you don't change the tie rod, never hammering this, because you can't use after that. Or if you want to hammer because you don't have the right tool to remove, always take back the nut and hammer like that, and you don't damage the thread. But this remover tool is not so expensive, so just buy that. and this is a 30 mil. Look like that. So far everything's come off easily. It was really straightforward. There's just this one bolt left, and I have a feeling that's going to be the hard one. So I hope not, but there is always one hard, so come on. So this is an 18 mil. Okay, so this come off too, so now I don't know what happened. So okay, this is strange. Well, up to this point it was easy. Now I have to knock it off this section where the drive shaft goes through, and the bearing is on the other side. I don't have a proper bearing press, so I have to figure out some way to remove and reinstall the new bearing, but for now let's get this out. And watch this. This has to be the bad bearing, because it definitely shouldn't sound like this. So to knock it off, I use the drive shaft nut 30 mil. Okay. Okay, so and here it is, the bearing. So okay, so it's don't look great. Yeah. Okay, so here's the first problem. One half of the bearing is stuck onto the hub, and I have no idea how I'm going to get it off, because I don't have a bearing puller. So yeah, it sucks. All right, I tried quite a few methods but none of them managed to get this sheet off the hub. So I'm going to leave this one as it is and go buy a new hub instead. Okay, actually I was really lucky because they had one sitting right on the shelf at the store, so it's maybe the same. So like I said, I don't have a bearing press. My plan is to remove this snap ring first, and after I knocked out the old bearing from this side, and after I have this bushing press kit, and I'm going to try using that to press the new bearing and the wheel hub back into place. Alright, so my phone is overheated and stopped recording halfway through the installation. I did manage to press the bearing with using this tool, but I strongly recommend using at least the proper wheel bearing installation kit, or even better hydraulic press. I'm not even going to do the other side until I get one, because doing it this way is a real struggle. So now I put back everything. Okay, so I got everything back together. I couldn't record it because my phone overheated again, because it's 42 Celsius in the shadows. It's about 100 Fahrenheit maybe. So yeah, I reinstalled the ball joint. So I reinstalled the ball joint, the CV axle, the ABS sensor, the tie rod, and the sway bar link, the brake caliper, the strut, and the brake disc wells. And now I just need to put the wheel back on, and then it's time to take it for a test drive. Okay, so now I'm on the test drive, and now it's a total silence. I can hear this. I can hear that humming noise. Now it's. I think it's